Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm tired.
Yes, I imagine. But we almost finished. Tomorrow is the last class and you can go to bed early or not.
Not because I have reunions on Fridays, and probably we have an activity of the
Mhm.
sales team on Friday, so I
Um,
don't know.
You're finishing late.
Yeah, well, I have to do the stuff that is supposed to be done on Friday.
Yes.
Uh, well, I advanced today, but I have to finish tomorrow. Yes or yes?
Yes, or yes, so you have to get ready with everything.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Okay, but that's work, right? You like it?
Um, I mean, yes, but this kind of plans,
Stresses.
like they, most of the people say like, hey, we have to celebrate because we reached the goal
Mhm.
in the closing days. But I don't know. I mean, if you said to me like, "Hey, next week we're going to have a celebration or an activity," okay, let's do it. But if you say today and you have some stuff to do on Friday, it's not funny at all.
You have to cancel your plans, right?
Yeah, I have to cancel
Uh-huh.
capacitations, reunions, some like work
Mm-hmm.
from the client, so it's complicated.
Yeah, I know, I know. When they change your plans, it's not good.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Okay, all right. But don't think about work right now, okay? And let's go for the class. Yes? Although after the class, you continue thinking about that, right?
No, no, no.
No,
I'm going
not
to sleep.
today. Excellent. So goodbye work. Okay. And let's think about something else right now. So let's see. Yesterday we started a little complicated topic, right? What was it?
Yeah. Uh, about about vocabulary
Yeah.
of luggage, trips, yeah, something like that, I think.
Yeah, and the models. Modals. No, you don't remember? Should, need
Oh
to.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's what we started. So we were talking about the things that you need to take for trips. Now let's see. What do you need to take to your job every day? Let's think.
Um, my bottle of water,
I need to
my
take,
cell phone. I need to take my bottle of water,
yeah.
my personal cell phone,
Mhm.
the job cell phone, my lunch,
Yeah.
my tooth cream,
My?
like no toothpaste.
My toothpaste.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
My,
my toothbrush,
uh-huh.
and only that.
Only that. No charger, no earphones, no anything.
Not because I got it in my office.
Oh, nice. Okay, good. All right, let's see. And right now that you are in class, what do you need to use for your class?
Honestly, only my computer, or
Uh-huh.
in that case, my cell phone and
Mhm.
something to take
Oh,
notes.
I was thinking about that because that is a necessity, taking notes. Okay, so let's see. This is the one. Let's go for the presentation. Let's see. It's over here. So November 6th. All right. Hit the road. Unit 4. So I think that we are going to start with some vocabulary related to traveling. Right? So what do we have here? Here we have some phrases and we need to match the verbs to complete the phrases. Yeah, we have find, book, change, go on, check in, pack, make, take or catch, hire, and travel. So which verb do you think goes with each phrase? Which one?
I check in at hotel, check in at an airport.
Only one phrase, only one verb for phrase. So check in?
Yes.
Where?
At a hotel, at an airport.
Check in a hotel room. At
No,
a
no, no.
hotel. Yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
see the option. Yeah, that is the one. Money. What about money?
Make money.
No, don't make money.
Change money.
Change money. Yes, that is change money. A car.
Take, catch a car.
Excuse me?
Take / catch a car.
Take or catch a car. That can be. Let's see. That can be also the taxi. No, that's one. No, it wasn't that one. It was hire a car. It's like when you rent a car. Rent a car. Here. So, another one. A hotel room. What about a hotel room?
Book a hotel room.
To book a hotel room. Let me see if that is the one. Yes. Book a hotel room. Suitcase or luggage.
Pack your suitcase.
Pack your suitcase. Okay. Yes. Continue with a restaurant. What about a restaurant?
Find a restaurant, a museum.
Find. Okay. Nice. A train, a bus to the airport. Now, yes. The one you said before.
Oh, take, catch.
Take or catch a train, a bus
Train.
to the airport. All right. A reservation.
Make a reservation.
Perfect. Yes. Make a reservation. Next.
Go on by plane, by bus, by train.
No. You have only
Travel.
Travel by plane, bus, or by train. Good. And the last one, a tour?
Go on.
Go on a tour. Oh, sorry. So go on a tour. All right. That is the vocabulary. Hello, lady.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Good.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So look, we are checking some vocabulary related to traveling. Okay. Mario already completed the vocabulary. Okay. He already matched the verbs to the phrase. So now it's your turn. Yeah. Which verb do you think goes with each phrase? Talking about money. Let's go for an easy one. What do you think you have to do with money? Let's think. Maria knows the answers.
Eh, 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 eh. Hire. Ay,
No, hire es contratar. No, sorry.
okay, hire. I hire
Yeah.
a car.
Okay, yes, hire a car. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Change money.
Change money. Good. Another one.
Check in a hotel room. Hotel room.
Can at a hotel room. Yes. Okay. Uh-huh. Some of them are logical, I think.
Take your suitcase.
Take?
Okay.
No.
It's take catch a train or a bus to the airport.
All right. Take or catch a train. Good.
Make
Okay.
a reservation.
Obviously, make a reservation. Mhm.
I don't know. Travel by plane.
Good. You're
Go
missing
on
four.
a tour.
Go on a tour. You saw when you came, you saw the answers. All right. Okay. Missing three.
Book a book is like a reservation.
Yes.
Okay, book a restaurant or museum. Book a hotel room.
Yeah, book a hotel room.
Pack your suitcase, and
Suitcase.
suitcase, and
F.
find a restaurant.
Okay, and find a restaurant or a museum. All right. So let's see. What of all of these activities do you think you should do when you go to another country? Mario, what do you think? You can use the models we were using yesterday, right? Should, need to, must. Okay? Mario? Let's
I'm
think.
thinking.
Okay, lady, let's think.
If I understand
Yes.
correct, I have to say like to another country, like you must to make a reservation.
Okay. Can you repeat?
You must make a reservation.
Yeah, you must make a reservation, okay? That's a strong necessity, let's say. Okay. You must make a reservation. Lady, remember that we have must, need to, have to, hora.
You have to change money.
Give me extra details. Why do you have to change extra money?
Because some countries only accept local money.
Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, good. Mario, tell me another one.
You should find a restaurant to taste local food.
All right, can be. All right. Also, try to add extra info, right? Like suggestions or something. Lady? Mhm.
You may is a
May?
suggestion.
Where?
May.
No, must. We have here the modals you can use. Mhm.
Okay. You need to go on the most famous places in the country.
Okay, you need to go on the most famous places or visit the most famous places.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mario, your turn again.
You have to check in at no,
You have to?
no, wait. You have to hire a car?
Have to. It's an obligation, a necessity. It can be. You have to hire a car
Or,
because
well, maybe ahora?
you order. Mhm.
You oughta hire a car for traveling um, around the city,
Around the
and
city.
it's more cheapest than paid Uber or taxi.
Okay. Can you repeat?
It's cheapest.
Okay, remember it's only cheaper. Uh-huh. Cheaper. Cheaper. That's it. No most cheapest or cheapest, only cheaper. Más barato, it's cheaper. All right? Good. Lady, the last one.
Eh, 24 hours ago. Antes.
Why?
You have to
Uh-huh.
make is it correct? Make check-in in a platform or
Oh, no. Maybe make a
but
reservation.
no, but when you travel by plane, um, you need have to check in online
Okay.
because because you it's more easy when you are in the airport.
All right. So you have to make the reservation or buy the tickets. In that case, it's
It's
buy.
check-in. The name is check-in.
So you have to check in
Uh-huh. In a
24 hours.
website.
Uh-huh.
uh,
Check in
Maybe
at the website.
the plane website. I don't know. For example, you travel in Avianca, you need to check in 20 hours, 24 hours
Before. Huh?
before. Mm-hmm.
24 hours before traveling. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we complete the idea. You have to check in 24 hours before traveling. Okay, nice. There you are. Good. Let's see. Those are only examples for us to review, okay? Because we're going to continue reviewing the topics today. All right, let's see. Let's delete everything. Here we are. All right, good. So there is more vocabulary. Let's see. I don't know if it is this one or that one. Let's check. All right, travel vocabulary. No, that is already done. Let's see this one. It's kind of a slow. Is this one? Oh, very slow. No. Okay. So in this case, we have definitions to help you have more vocabulary. All right. It's almost the same, but in this case, we have the definitions. Okay. So let's see. Okay. If you have one, tell me, and we do it together. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so let's try. Let's see if it is this one. My internet is kind of slow. So, what do you think? What is check-in? Let's look for the definition. Or maybe we can read the definition and then find the correct word.
I think check-in is check-in to go to a desk at an airport or hotel to say you are there.
Okay, that is
I think.
check-in. Okay, let's do it. Don't worry, let's do it. Okay? Lady, do you have one? Let's go one and one. Uh-huh.
I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Right. We have many. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14.
Traffic jam is the third box. A long line of car moving very slowly.
Okay. Oh, okay. That is traffic jam. Excellent. Yes, that's the one. A long line of cars. Good. Think of another one. Mario?
And passport is the
Uh-huh.
the next box.
A
A
small
small
book.
book with your photo, which you show when you cross a
Okay.
border.
Excellent. Mario? 2 versus 1. We have 2 points, lady. 1 point, Mario. Okay. Uh-huh.
Trip in the next box
Uh-huh.
to, to make a journey. I don't know.
Journey. Yeah, journey.
Journey.
Nah,
Is
journey. No.
trip. No,
Ah,
trip.
trip. Okay, maybe. That can be to make a journey.
No. Okay.
I'm not sure because
Uh,
there is another one. Mario.
Okay.
Flight to move from the air down to the ground.
Flight now. Look, to move from the air to the ground. So when the plane is like this, goes to the floor. Let's think a little bit.
Land to move.
Land. All right, that's the one. Land. Aterrizar, to land. All right?
And
Good.
flight to move from the ground up into the air.
Perfect. No, sorry. No. It's not that one. We have 2 and 2. 2 points and 2 points. Mm.
Delay is to make someone or something late.
Delay?
It's the second, how do you say column? It's column.
Column?
It's the sixth box to make
2,
some.
4, 5. Okay. Delay. All right. That's the one. To make someone or something late. Yes. Okay. Good.
Oh, I got the flight.
Yes. What is it?
Flight in a foreign country.
What is it? Foreign country. In a foreign country. What is this?
Flight.
I'm sorry. It's another one. It's shorter. It's shorter.
Travel.
Travel? No. To be in a foreign country is another one. Let's think.
Travel is a short visit to a place.
To travel, a short visit to a place. Okay, let's try. No.
Okay. No, okay.
I don't think it's this one, okay? I think we have problems with trip and with travel. All
Okay.
right. But let's complete the others.
Border the line that separates two countries.
What is it?
Border, the last one.
Border, the line that separates two countries. All right, excellent.
Take off is the 7 box in the first column. No. 6 to move from the grown up into the air.
Take off, despegar, take off. Yes, that's the correct one. We are missing some. Let's go. Let's do it. Look, a wide road where cars travel very fast.
Motorway?
Motorway, that is the motorway, yes.
What is a motorway? Like carretera?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, flying is a journey in a plane.
Flight, a journey in a plane.
Okay.
All right.
Destination is the next box, the place you are traveling to.
Ooh, okay, excellent. What else?
Journey in a foreign country?
Journey in a foreign country.
Or abroad?
Abroad. I like more abroad. I don't have the answers yet, but abroad. So we're missing sightseeing and journey.
Journey in the time when you are traveling from one place to another. And sightseeing. Visiting interesting place as a tourist.
Tourist, right, good. I think that we have problems with 3. Journey, trip, and travel. I think that trip, listen, a trip is a short visit. Travel is this one, all right? Okay, let's correct. Let's see. I think we have 3 errors. Journey was okay. Oh, excellent. So yes, look, trip and travel. They were different.
Okay.
Okay, good. So let's check the correct answer. So this is vocabulary that you can use when traveling. All right. So here we are.
Trip is short and journey is a long travel?
Somehow.
Okay.
Journey maybe is the whole experience.
Okay.
And trip, all right, is a short visit.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. I'm going to say the vocabulary word and you tell me the definition. All right, Mario, what is destination?
The place you are traveling to.
Lady, what is journey?
Journey, the time when you are traveling from one place to another.
Mario, border.
And the line that separates two countries.
There you are. Lady, what is the passport?
Passport and a small book with your photo with your show when you cross a border.
There you are. Mario, what is sightseeing?
Visiting interesting places as a tourist.
As a tourist, okay? Sightseeing, only see. All right. Lady, what is check-in?
Check-in, to go to a desk at an airport or hotel to say you are there.
To say you're there, okay? To check in at the hotel, maybe. And let's go with traffic jam, Mario. What is traffic jam?
A long line of cars moving very slowly.
Very slowly, okay? So there you have extra vocabulary that can help you. I will just screenshot for you to have it. Okay, perfect. Here we are. So the photo is in the chat in case you can save it. This is extra. It's not in the platform, remember? All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's go back to the presentation. So that was extra vocabulary, right? And remember, we're checking about the modals. Yeah, in this case, just modals of necessity and modals of, do you remember? Oh, modals of necessity and modals of suggestion, okay? Suggestion. So when do we use must? Let's repeat and let's do some practices. Mario, when do we use must?
We can use must to show that we are certain something is true. In general, must express personal obligation.
You see?
Example, we must show our passport at the airport.
All right. It can be obligation, that in this case that we are practicing is a strong necessity. All right. Necessity. What about have to, lady?
Have to, we often use have to say that something is obligatory. In general, have to express impersonal obligation. Example,
Okay.
John has to wear a tie at work. Children have to go to school.
Strong necessity, it's like a rule. No,
Mhm.
because I have to do it, because it's necessary to do it. Look, it's a rule at work, it's a rule at school, for example. Yes? And what about need to, Mario?
We can use need to say something is necessary or unnecessary. Example, you usually need to check in. You usually need to check in at least 2 hours before a flight leaves.
Oh,
I
similar. Go ahead.
I don't need to take raincoat.
A raincoat. So similar to what lady was saying, look, you need to check at least 2 hours before, all right? Good. So these are the modals of necessity, all right? Strong necessity, yeah? And we have a practice. Let's complete the practice before we go to the other modals. Remember the grammar, right? So look, have to, don't have to, must, or mustn't. Need to is missing over here. Okay. All right. So what do you think is the correct for number one? Don't have to or mustn't?
Don't have to. You don't have
It
to apologize. It isn't necessary.
not necessary, so have to or don't have to. Okay. Just tell me if you see the options, okay? You?
No, we can see it.
It's always the same. All right. So, ouch, neither can I. So, you mustn't or you don't have to? You mustn't or you don't have to? He'll fire you. He will fire you. He will fire you.
Have to. No. The option is mustn't.
Don't have to. You mustn't tell the boss what happened or he will fire you, right? He will fire you. Number 3, Mario? Sorry, options. You don't have to or mustn't. Read the complete example.
I
so
mustn't wear a tie. Or no?
I don't listen correctly. I don't know if it is my internet. All right. Look at the other one. It says, I do it because I like wearing ties. Necessity or no necessity?
No necessity.
So, don't have to or mustn't?
I don't have to wear a tie. I do it because I like wearing ties.
Okay, remember that when it is not a rule, not necessary. Okay, have to or don't have to. Lady, don't have to smoke or mustn't smoke?
Mustn't.
Okay. You mustn't
Mustn't or
smoke.
haven't. Two option is mustn't or haven't.
Or don't have to. So it's mustn't. Look, smoking is not allowed. Prohibition. Okay. All right. Number 5, Maria. Sorry. Options. Mustn't or don't have to. Mustn't or don't have to.
You mustn't be late. It's the most important meeting of the year.
All right, can be as a strong obligation, all right. Number 6, lady, you can stay a bit longer. Don't have to or mustn't?
Uh,
You can stay.
have I don't know.
Don't
You
have to or mustn't?
have to.
Okay, don't have to. Can you read it?
You don't have to go now. You can stay a bit longer.
Okay. Let's see. Number 7, Maria. Visitors to the zoo. Don't have to or mustn't?
Visitors to the zoo mustn't feed the animals.
Okay, it's a prohibition. Strong prohibition. Number 8, lady. Drive so fast. We have a lot of time.
You must
Options.
okay.
Mustn't or don't
Mustn't.
have to.
Mustn't.
We have a lot of time. So
Mustn't.
mustn't is like an obligation. Look, we have a lot of time. Don't worry. So mustn't or don't have to.
Don't have to.
That one is better. Don't have to drive so fast. Okay, Maria, number 9. There is enough food. Look, there is enough food. Don't worry. So mustn't or don't have to.
You don't have to cook more. There's enough food.
We don't have to cook more. All right, not necessary to cook more. Number 10, lady.
You
Mustn't or don't have to. I think we're using almost the same.
Mustn't.
The doctor said you can't eat salt. Prohibition. So mustn't. Yeah, there you are. All right. Perfect. Let me see the first if they are correct. Yes. And yes. All right. Good. Let's go back to the presentation here. Okay, so remember, these are models of necessity or sometimes obligation. Now we have the models of, do you remember?
Advice.
Advice or
Suggestion.
Suggestion, okay? Remember, these are for suggestion or advice. So, Mario, when do we use have better?
We use had better to give advice about a specific situation, not general ones.
Example?
You'd better tell her everything.
You'd better tell her everything, all right? You'd better is an advice. And a specific, you're talking about a specific situation and you're giving an advice or a suggestion. Lady, ora. Or ora.
Ora is used to advise or make recommendations. Also express assumptions, no sé, or expectation as well as strong probability. 2, ora stop smoking recommendation. This stock ora increase in value.
In value.
In value, probability.
Probability. But right now we are using suggestions or recommendations, all right? What about should? That is the easiest, Mario.
We often use should when offering advice or opinions. You should see the new James Bond movie. It's great. People should worry more about global warming.
All right, an advice or my personal opinion. Remember, personal opinion. So let's go for the practice. It's kind of different, all right? Here we are. Okay, here we are. Number 1. Now we can see the options, I hope. Okay. So lady, can you please read and complete the first one? This is more about grammar and writing than using the correct word.
Okay. I'm going to visit your country. Where,
The question.
where should I go if I want to go shopping?
Okay, yes, that's correct. Mario, number 2.
Dave loves chocolate, but he shouldn't eat too much or he will get fat.
All right, shouldn't eat using the correct form. All right, lady.
The airline only allows 2 pieces or luggage. You had better not pack too much, or you will have to take it out at the airport.
Okay, had better not. That's correct. This is a warning not to do something. Ah, okay, yes. Okay, good. Mario.
I need help. So I need help, doctor. My baby doesn't sleep well. What should I do?
Excellent, there you are. Lady.
I'm so hot. I, you should take off your coat.
Yes.
Mhm.
Take off. Put on is the opposite. Uh-huh. Okay, Maria?
My mother isn't feeling well, so I told her that she ought oughta go to the doctor.
She ought to go to the doctor. Yes. All right. 7, lady.
It's raining and I don't want to get my dress wet. I had better to bring an umbrella.
Different option?
Had better bring an umbrella.
Not
Mhm.
two. All right.
Not to.
Good. And the last one is for Maria.
I think that the grade my I think that the grade my teacher gave me on my test is wrong. Really, you should no, you oughta talk to her after class today.
All right. Look. No, don't forget the two. My finger mistake. I'm so. Don't forget that two that is part of ora. That was my mistake. Right finger mistake. I'm sorry. Okay. So it was otra talk. Okay. There you are. All right. Good. So that was the practice. Wow. Good. And here, remember that we have the same. Okay. We're trying to practice as much as we can. Necessity and suggestion. We are just going to complete, okay, this part. It's more about writing the correct form of the modals. All right. Lady, you're first.
The second word, you oughta check the weather.
Okay. Perfect. Maria, number 2.
You should never leave cash in your hotel room.
2 is not yes, we should. Good. Number 3, lady.
It's raining and I don't want to get. I had better bring an umbrella.
All right. Number 4.
You need take your credit card with you. No, you need to take your credit card with you.
Need to. All right, lady.
My mother isn't feeling well, so I told her she oughta go to the doctor.
Maybe. Or a strong advice. Number 6.
You have to pay an airport tax.
7.
Um, you should let your family know when they can contact you.
Number 8. Mario?
You must turn in your homework by Friday.
You must. Strong obligation. Good. Lady?
You'd better not to go out alone late at night.
Uh, um, remember.
Only auxiliary. You'd better not go out alone late at night.
Yeah, because remember the had better
Mm-hmm.
verb, not to.
Okay.
All right. Maria, number 10. Sorry. Yes, there you are.
You mustn't buy alcohol if you're less than 18 years old.
Strong obligation. Lady.
You had better go with him tomorrow. There is no choice. Need to.
This one,
Uh-huh.
no, because the grammar is not correct. Had in the past. Number 12. Maria. Finishing. That is the last one.
You must get a vaccination if you go to some country.
There you are. And the last one.
A public school student shouldn't wear uniforms.
Shouldn't is an advice or a suggestion, and don't have to in this case would be necessity or no necessity. What do you think is better?
This is like my opinion.
Okay. If it is your opinion, yes.
Okay.
Students shouldn't wear uniforms. That's right. That's your opinion. Good. All right. There you are. Okay. Good. Now, let's see. I think we have one more practice before time is over. I don't think we're going to complete this. Let me see. No. Let's go ahead with this one. Okay. So we have a reading and we're going to try to complete it. Look, I'm going to tell you about the many things you enjoy doing when visiting Mexico. So we can complete with any word. It doesn't have a specific order. Okay. So let's try to complete. What do you think is the first one?
You can enjoy doing.
Okay, excellent. Next.
You have to.
It depends on your advice. The model that you have to use. Excellent. Another one? What do you think?
You should visit Mexico City or you.
Remember, there is another use of can and should. Should is advice, and when you use can, sometimes it's about giving options. So, I think in this one you can use can as well.
Okay.
So, how do you say?
You can visit Mexico City or you
The same.
can. You can enjoy the view from the rooftop of one of its most famous skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers, big building. All right. And the last one over here.
You can take pictures.
Of the 4 different views if in the city, sorry. Okay, also can. Remember that using modals, it depends on your message. So sometimes you can use any, all right? So we are going to read, all right? Mari is going to read first and then Lady. Everything, please. Okay? Ready,
Okay.
Mari? Go.
Hello friends. I'm going to tell you about the many things you can enjoy doing when visiting Mexico. Mexico has many things to offer. You have to visit museums, parks, archaeological sites, and even beaches. You can visit Mexico City or you can enjoy the view from the rooftop of one of its most famous skyscrapers. You can take pictures of the four different views of the city in the city.
In the city. Sorry, that was my mistake. Lady.
Hello, friends. I'm going to tell you about the many things you can enjoy doing when visiting Mexico. Mexico has many things to offer. You have to visit museums, park,
Archaeological.
archaeological cities, and even beach. You can visit Mexico City or you can enjoy the view from the rooftop of one of its most famous skyscrapers. You can take pictures or the four different views of the city.
In the city, all right? Rooftop. You say
Rooftop.
rooftop, okay? Rooftop. Also, use
Archaeolog ah,
archaeological.
archaeological.
And here you have sites, archaeological sites.
Right.
And even beaches, right? In plural, beaches. All right, let's complete the other one, the other part of the reading. All right, what do you think is the model that completes? Obey all the rules. Listen, obey all the rules.
You must.
That's strong. You must obey the rules in order to have an enjoyable visit. Please note that you throw objects. What do you think? You can use them in negative as well, remember? You can use them in negative.
You can't.
Okay, you can't, can be. You can, you mustn't, you don't have to, all right? After the Latin Americano Tower, you?
Can.
You can visit, okay, giving options, okay. You can, you should. Next. It's right across the street. And you?
You can find.
You can find. The majority is can for probability in this case. Only a few hours away, you? What do you think?
Might.
You might, probability.
Mm-hmm.
You might find the nearest beaches like Acapulco, Veracruz. There are so many things to do. And you? Try the local dishes. Tell me.
Cool.
You could try or you should if it is advice.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I cannot write. And the last one, find a food stand on every corner. Find a food stand on every corner.
You can find.
The majority is can in this case. Okay. So we're going to start reading this tomorrow so that then you give me some advice on what people can do or should do when visiting our beautiful countries. Okay? So do you have any questions about the topic?
I don't
No.
have questions.
Just keep on practicing, okay?
Okay.
All right, good. So I hope to see you tomorrow in class and we continue and finish with this topic. Yes?
Okay.
All right, so
Okay.
good night. Thank you, Mario. Thank you, lady.
Night, teacher.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.